A little bit of parsley on there. Just look at that for a bowl full of goodness. Absolutely superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are making a soup. It's just a vegetable soup with barley. We're going to bring it all together. We're going to make it the old-fashioned way. Now, I wouldn't make a soup like this anymore. I always make in the Instant Pot, but we're going to do it stovetop so everybody can make it. Now, Instant Pot, 20 minutes, over and done. We're going to cook on the stovetop. It's going to take 40 to 50 minutes. That's the difference in cooking and why I use an Instant Pot all the time, but we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. An assortment of veg, you can put in what you like. It's entirely up to you. So we've a bit of chopping to do. I've already sliced up some mushrooms. I've got a rutabaga or a swede, whatever you know it by. And some people are going to argue about turnip and swede. Get on with it. It's a swede. So we're just going to peel it all the way around there, and then we're going to cube it. So we are going to make everything today chunky soup. We're going to enjoy it. We're going to have big chunks of veg on our spoon. I'm not putting meat in at all today. That's entirely up to you. If you want to put meat in, put beef in, chicken in, whatever you fancy, put it in. And we're going to go for a good healthy chunky veg soup. I've not had one in a while. Everything big today. Any bowl will do, whatever I can find in front of me. Now, I wouldn't worry too much about the size of this, you know. Cooking for 40 to 50 minutes, it's all going to be cooked. And come on, let's face it, if it's not cooked, leave it cooking a bit longer. Rutabaga or swede, carrots, again, everything chunky. And for all those people who are snowed in at the moment, I think this will be a perfect dish for you. For the rest of us that are enjoying no snow, it's still a fantastic dish. Celery, exactly the same. And I think it goes without saying, everything's already been washed and prepared. We're not going to go through that whole procedure. Onion, again, we want chunky. That is about done, lad. Right, we want a pan on. Okay, we're ready to go. A little bit of oil in there. That is olive oil. You can use any oil you want. And we want to be heating this up with a little bit of butter. About that much. Now this is going to be a bog standard, flame on. This is going to be a bog standard soup. Okay, we're not going to make it a creamy soup. It's going to probably be a cloudy soup. It won't be clear. But that doesn't matter. Grab one of those. Ooh-wee. Not such a good pan, this one. Garlic in there. Onions, celery. Start with a little bit of a stir in there. That's getting that lovely garlic aroma cooked out of there. Fabulous. Swede carrot. Now I want to cook this for about 5 minutes, turning it over. Little bit of pepper in there. Salt to taste. Not too much salt for me. I'm using veg cubes for my veg stock, and they are a little bit salty. In that 5 minutes we're going to chuck in our mushrooms. Mushrooms are optional. Some people don't like mushrooms. Fair play. Gives a nice umami flavour. Mushrooms in, stir it all in, let the mushrooms release their moisture. Okay, the herbs today. Now if you were making this just like this, you would put thyme, oregano in there. We have got Italian seasoning, which contains everything we need and a little bit more. If you want to know how to make Italian seasoning, boom, up there, go watch. Up to you. And we're going to go in there with a good teaspoon heaped. Tomatoes. These are not chopped, so we're going to go in with the juice first and we'll chop them. Pair of scissors in there. Chop up your tomatoes. If you can get chopped tomatoes, that's fine. If you can't, do the same. In there. Give it a little whiz over if they're not chopped up quite enough for you. Nice little stir on in there. Our veggie stock in there, made with cubes. That's all. Okay, in there with our rinsed barley. Stir it all in. Okay, bring this up to the boil, knock it down to a simmer, put a lid on, about 40, 45, 50 minutes, check the veg. If the veg is done, the soup's done. In that 40, 50 minutes, keep coming along, take the lid off, give it a stir, make sure none of this lovely vegetables has gone to the bottom of the pan and sticking on the pan. Okay, once you've got it up to a boil, turn it down and simmer it for about 40 to 50 minutes. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is what we're talking. A real hearty pan full of goodness. It's naturally thickened with the barley. Look at that. Oh, we'll take that out. There's one bay leaf. There's another one. There was 3 bits, weren't there? I think someone's going to get a bay leaf. Well, that's a pan full of colour right there. Let's get it served. A little bit of parsley on there. Just look at that for a bowl full of goodness. Absolutely superb. Come on. Oh, look at this. All that lovely barley's thickened up that broth in there. That is a bowl full of goodness right there. At 1,000 degrees. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And do you know what? We only used 1 can of tomatoes, and there's a lovely underlying tomato flavour in there. Perfect. That is perfect warming soup. A little bit of crunch to the veg. Now, if you like your veg softer, cook it longer, obviously. I like texture. Well, that is absolutely phenomenal. So easy. A lot of veg, chuck it in a pan. You've got a perfect meal. The barley takes it to another level. Thickens it up naturally, and it's good for you. Really good for you. So don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make just a vegetable soup with barley. Come on. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.